Hey guys, it's Joanne here, and today I am bringing you another, and this is going to be an extremely quick one, guys, Nadine West try-on haul. So just the other week, I got my latest Nadine West package. Let me tell you, Nadine West, my personal stylist, knocked it out of the park for me again this month. So I want to thank Nadine West for sending me these clothing items to try on. Let's get right into the video so I can show you everything that I got this month. So this month, let's start off with the earrings, and they're making a lot of noise. They're very dangly. That's why I wore my hair back this time so you could actually see the dangle and the design. It's like a hoop that also has a circle in the center, and it has like this straight bar down. I really love it. They're not that heavy, so normally I'm not into like really heavy dangly earrings, but these are just really perfect. And the necklace I got this month, like this is just like, this just speaks BAM. This speaks like statement piece. It has a really nice design, kind of like a textured pattern to these individual teardrops that move around, and they do allow it so that you can wear it tighter or looser. I just kind of threw it on at this length so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. Also, they sent me one other necklace that I wanted to show you guys because I just thought this was absolutely gorgeous. And it also has one of these bars right here, and then look at the piece that's on the bottom. So this, you know, potentially can be worn and have it hanging down. It's just such a cute piece. So I got 3 pieces of jewelry, the 2 necklaces and the earrings. So the other piece I want to show you is this gray cardigan that they sent me, and this is basically almost like, it's not a full length, it's like a 3/4 length, so you can pull down your sleeve and have the color pop out underneath if you actually have a long sleeve underneath, and you can, you know, fold it up to get the color to show. But it's just a plain, simple cover with 2 pockets on either side, and I'm gonna step back a little bit so you can actually see the full length of it. It basically goes down to just above the knees, so it's a nice perfect length to pair up for any of your outfit needs. And let's see, what's the brand on this one? Let's check out the brand. Nadine, I don't recognize any of the brands. I think just they're Nadine West brands, I don't know. But it's Xena Premium, and the size that they sent me was an extra large, if you want to look for sizing wise. But it's just a nice stretchy fabric, very comfortable, and yes, I absolutely love that sweater. The next I want to show you is this top that I got. It's kind of like, again, like that heathered look. It's like a heathered mauve maroon color, and it has the cutout here, so you could wear this without any necklace, or you can drop a necklace down inside. I just chose to wear this necklace over top. It is almost 3/4 length, and it does go just past your hips, and it's just a nice fitting, comfortable shirt to wear. I can't remember what size this is or brand, but I will leave it here somewhere so you guys can get an idea of the sizing and stuff for myself. And the last item that they sent me were these like legging / workout pants. I think they're more legging than excuse me, I think they're more legging than workout, but they are simply, again, let me see if I can move back here, but they are a really comfortable black legging, and I don't know if you guys can see the design on the back. They go halfway between the knee and your ankle. These are also I believe a 1X in the Nadine West styling, which is probably like a 14-16 size. Yeah, so that is it for my try-on haul this month, guys. If you are not familiar with Nadine West, I will leave a link in the description box so you can get more information. It's basically a monthly subscription service where you pay a monthly fee and they send you products to try on, and whatever you decide to keep, you can apply what you paid for in the monthly subscription against the cost of the clothing. And I can tell you that this, compared to what I was getting with Stitch Fix, Stitch Fix was a lot more expensive as far as being able to keep the products, and this is just a more affordable option, and actually the styling is more my style. So that is going to be it for my video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Joanne. It's nice to meet you. If you're new, I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you will become notified as to when I upload videos and when I go live on YouTube. For those of you who have been subscribed, thanks a lot for stopping back, watching my video. I truly appreciate your support. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next video. Bye, guys.